Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your credit card statement, seen a minimum payment of $47, and thought to yourself, that's not bad, I could handle that? Of course you did. That's what they want you to think. Here's what they don't tell you. That $47 is not designed to help you pay off your debt. It's designed to keep you paying. Let me show you what I mean. You have a credit card. Balance, $2,000. Interest rate, 22%. Minimum payment, $47. You pay that $47 every month. You feel responsible. You feel like you're doing the right thing. But here's what's actually happening. Month 1, you pay $47. Interest charges for that month, $36. That means only $11 went toward your actual balance. $11. You paid $47 to make $11 of progress. Month 2, same thing. Month 3, same thing. Month 4, same thing. After 1 full year of paying the minimum, you will have paid over $500, but your balance, it will have dropped by less than $150. You are running on a treadmill, sweating, paying, feeling responsible, but going absolutely nowhere. Now, let me show you the math that will make you angry. At that rate, paying only the minimum, it will take you 23 years to pay off that $2,000. 23 years! And here is the kicker. Your bank is actually legally required to tell you this. Look at the minimum payment warning on your actual paper statement. It is right there in black and white. They hide it in plain sight because they know most people never open the PDF. And by the time you're done, you will have paid almost $6,000 in interest for a $2,000 purchase. That is not a loan. That is a subscription you did not know you signed up for. And here is the part that should make you furious. Your bank knows exactly how long this will take. They have teams of analysts who calculate this stuff. They know that minimum payments trap you for decades, and they designed it that way anyway. Because every month you stay in debt, they make money. This is not a conspiracy. This is public information. It is in your cardholder agreement. It is on their website. They just do not put it in big, bold letters. Now, let me show you the alternative. Same card, same balance, same interest rate. But instead of paying $47, you pay $100. That's an extra $53 a month. That $53, that is 2 Chipotle bowls and a Netflix subscription. That's it. You are trading 2 lunches a month for 21 years of your life back. That is the best trade you will ever make. With that extra $53, the same debt gets paid off in 2 years, not 23 years, 2 years. And you pay less than $500 in interest total. Same debt, same card, same interest rate. Different payment amount, different life. Let me put those numbers side by side so you can really see it. Minimum payment only, 23 years, $6,000 in interest. $100 a month, 2 years, $500 in interest. That is 21 years of your life saved. 21 years of not having this debt hanging over your head. 21 years of freedom, all for an extra $53 a month. Now you might be thinking, I cannot afford an extra $53. I understand, truly. But here's what I want you to do. Open your credit card app right now. Look at your balance, look at your minimum payment. Then look at your recent transactions. Find one thing you bought this month that you didn't really need, one subscription you forgot about, one delivery fee, one impulse buy. Cancel it or skip it next month. Take that money and add it to your minimum payment. Even $20 extra makes a massive difference. At $20 extra, your $2,000 debt gets paid off in 4 years instead of 23. That's 19 years of your life back. This is not about being perfect. This is about being better than minimum, because minimum is a trap. Minimum keeps you stuck. Minimum is not your friend. Your bank loves when you pay minimum. Your bank profits when you pay minimum. Do not do what your bank wants. Do what future you will thank you for. Here's what I want you to do right now. Go to Google, type in Debt Payoff Calculator. It's free.
Takes 2 minutes. Enter your balance, your interest rate, your minimum payment. See how long it will take you. Then add $20 to that payment. See how many years disappear. That 5-minute exercise changed the way I think about debt forever. Because once you see the math, you can't unsee it. And remember, this is not just about debt. This is about opportunity cost. Every dollar you send to the bank in interest is a dollar that is not sitting in your Roth IRA growing for you. If this video helped you, comment one word, math. Just math. It tells the algorithm that this video is worth watching, and it tells me that you are ready to get out of the trap. And if you know someone who always pays the minimum, send them this video. They need to see it. Let's get you out of the trap.